BabyBus.
Hi! Click here to subscribe! Why is the toolbox moving? The tools are moving too? Let's follow them.
Aha! Here comes a car that needs to be repaired.
Hey, car, come inside. Let me take a close look. What's wrong with you? I can fix anything.
Hey, magic toolbox! Come and help me out now. Pliers, spanner, screwdriver!
Can you change the light?
Sure, leave it to us.
Hey, car, come inside. Let me take a close look. A dim headlight, I can help you. Just put in a new light, big and bright. Shining, shining all around.
Wow, it is much brighter now. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Huh? The tools are moving again.
Look, here comes another car.
My car tire is flat. Help me, please.
Okay. Hey, car, come inside. Let me take a close look.
A worn tire, I can help you.
Let's change your tire, nice and round. It's all fixed now, off you go. It's all fixed now, off you go.
It's done! Do you think another car is coming?
Huh? Let's go check it out.
Okay.